This story of collaboration is brought to you by Canon Solutions America, Trekk, and Copy General, and highlights the use of funky finishing and variable data to create a collectible certificate of completion for an online course.
Think Academy is an online training tool with a series of courses in things like marketing, sales, and production. We really wanted to incentivize the students to complete a course in its entirety. We wanted to do that with a diploma or a certificate of completion at the end. So we knew we wanted this piece to be really unique and highlight a different piece of artwork of the owl, which is the Think Academy mascot, on every certificate. We knew we needed to have variability, so their first name and company needed to be on the certificate, as well as some really eye-catching finishing like foil. That's the idea that we had, and that's when we called Laura.
So sometimes clients come to us with incredible ideas and they want some help in order to just kick things up to the next level. So that's when Emily called us regarding these Think certificates that they had. Not only was there a beautiful array of 7 different certificates, but each one of them had an element that needed to be highlighted. So within the artwork of these 7 different owls and designs, there were gradients involved, there were different colors, there were some muted colors, there were some bold colors. All of this could be achieved by printing these certificates on the substrate we selected, and the Canon IX inkjet press made a fantastic job of these. They are truly collectible pieces. So once we had printed them, we decided on how we were going to embellish them. So we added soft touch laminate to give it a tactile feel. Then we added spot gloss UV, various different depths of that UV in order to highlight specific areas, and followed that up with silver foil that really just made these certificates pop. Once the course name was on there and their individual recipient's name, that's a certificate you're going to keep on your wall.
As we just learned, sometimes all you need is an idea, and then call your printer and they will help you manifest it into certificate of completion and artwork glory. To learn more about Canon Solutions America, Trekk, and Copy General, look in the show notes, visit projectpeacock.tv to learn all about our other partners, and until next time, print long and prosper.